Hello, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We here at AZR Business Counseling are super excited to introduce you to our business credit building platform. This is the most comprehensive platform in the industry. This is where we're able to take your business from start to finish and help you build your business credit profile so that you become much more lendable, much more fundable, and by the way, have a lot of fun and get a lot of credit along the way. So when you log into this system, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take you to our business credibility section. And here's what credibility is, ladies and gentlemen. Credibility is a lender's way of eliminating fraud when you put in an application. Because keep in mind, this is credit that's not tied to your social. This is tied to your business only. That's what we're focused on here today. So the first thing we want to do is we want to take a look at your business name. Make sure it's not part of restricted industries or in a restricted industry. For example, when you log in, we give you the instructions on a business credibility. We even show you what restricted industries are, which industries are in the restricted industry, and we allow you to search Secretary of State records to see how your business looks. Every Secretary of State record is right here. You click on the Secretary of State, pick on the corresponding state, and search for your company's info. A lot of business owners are surprised when they find out that the Secretary of State has their business spelled wrong, has a comma where it doesn't belong, something along those lines. Congruency is super important in building business credit. And if you're not interested or you don't have a business right now, if you're interested in starting a business, we give you a link to a company that for $99, they'll register your business for you. They'll do all the paperwork. So we basically solve any of those problems. Step 1.2, we take you to your business address and we talk about the type of addresses that you should have and the type of addresses you shouldn't have. If you don't have the proper address, we're going to show you how to get the proper address. Here's what I mean by proper address, ladies and gentlemen. You don't want to put a credit application in with a P.O. box. Okay, so keep in mind, lenders, lenders are looking for fraud, right? So it's going to be a little bit of a red flag when the application has a P.O. box. Because if somebody's going to commit fraud, obviously they're not going to give you their home address. They're not going to give you a business address. They're going to give you a P.O. box so that you can't track them down. And from there, we're going to take you right into the type of entity you have. And this is important because a lot of business owners are sole proprietors. And unfortunately, a sole proprietor can't build business credit. You're basically building personal credit. So we're going to show you how to convert that to an LLC if that's something you need. We're going to make sure you have your EIN, that it matches. We're going to show you how to research and find that out. Make sure the name's spelled correctly with the IRS. Back to that old congruency. And then we're going to take it to your business phone number and 411 listing. Every business needs to have a real business phone number, not a cell phone. And that number needs to be listed in a directory called the National 411 Directory. The good news is we do that for you. You put your number in here, and then we're going to submit it to the National 411 Directory. So it's not something you have to worry about, but you have to have the right type of phone. We're going to show you that. Same with your website and email. Please, ladies and gentlemen, don't have a business email that says, I own a business at gmail.com, I own a business at yahoo.com. It doesn't cost a lot of money to get a professional email, info at your business address, your business website address, or products ad, or however, customer service ad, something that's professional. Okay, so we're going to show you how to get that as well. Once you enter all your information, including your bank account, not your bank account info, we just want to know that you have a professional bank account. Help you get set up with a merchant account if you need one. We're going to wrap it up. We're going to have you start establishing your business reports. In order to monitor your business credit, the business credit reporting agencies need to know who you are. So we help you get set up with Dun & Bradstreet for your free DUNS number. We're going to show you how you're set up with Experian and Equifax. And then if you have bad business credit, we're going to show you how to fix that as well, right here through the platform. This is all in the proper order and easy to use. It's interactive. You just click on that particular step 2.4, to fix business credit. We give you video instructions. And in addition to that, we have a whole team of advisors that are going to guide you through this process. Okay. From there, you begin building business credit. It's that simple. You can go right to tier 1. We're going to take you from tier 1 with trade vendor accounts, net 30s. We're going to give you access to these vendors, tell you how you're supposed to apply, where the website is. who they report to, uh, any special instructions, what you need to know about qualifying, what the terms are going to be. So we're going to give you all the details here at AZR Business Counseling on how to get this credit. What's fantastic about this is that we take you through the process in an organized fashion. Tier one, then we go to monitoring your business reports, show you how to get a credit monitoring and even request your check systems report and LexisNexis report, which is amazing. So we're going to show you exactly how to do that. Then we're going to take you to tier two. And in tier two, it gets a little more exciting. You're going to get access to higher limit credit. You're going to get a little more revolving. You'll get access to places like Home Depot and Exxon and Lowe's and Amazon. I mean, this is really credit that you can utilize. And again, you're building your business credit. From there, it's into tier three, and then tier four into revolving accounts and Visas, MasterCards, American Express. You can get vehicle financing. I'm not going to show you everything that's in here, but there's certainly a ton of. You can see American Express Corporate. You can get vehicle financing with Ford and Toyota. It's important that you know, one, how to apply, two, when to apply, and three, what their underwriting criteria is. It's as simple as following these steps through our business credit building program, through our business credit platform. Uh, you can't mess it up. As long as you don't go from step one to step seven, you're going to succeed. So once again, through AZR Business Counseling Business Credit Building Platform, we're going to take you right from business credibility all the way through revolving accounts. And once you hit revolving accounts, we're talking about 15 plus trade lines reporting. At this point, you've become fundable. You're going to find that creditors are going to come looking for you because they're buying your information. They're buying it from the data providers. And who do you think the data providers are? They are the business credit reporting agencies. I can go to Dun & Bradstreet and ask for everyone with 15 plus trade lines reporting in a certain zip code, every business, so that I can market my credit card services to them, or I can market my lending services to them. They all do it. Typically, they're going to work with D&B and Experian, some with Equifax, but it's really important to focus on these two reporting agencies to make sure your business credit report is solid. And I promise you, if you reach out to AZR Business Counseling at 708-515-6402, set up your free consultation, I promise you, you're going to be one of the ones they're reaching out to try and lend you money. You can also reach us simply at info@azrbusinesscounseling.com. That's AZR Business Counseling. I'll spell that for you, COUNSELING.com. Thanks again for listening to our video today, and hopefully you learned something.